So this is a cool little thing, not some little toy, but an actual real useful thing that I made for a buddy. And he needs medication and he's got a lot of it. Well, here is a little pill box, and it's got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then you see it up there, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You open it up, it's got the deals. We'll pull that off just to show the other side. Then it's got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then the same thing. So we're gonna take this off and show you how it's made. It has this little snap ring right here. Well, maybe not so easy to take apart, but anyway, there's a snap ring that goes around this, and that's it. So these are 3 components, 4 and 5. So it's really a pretty cool little setup. So it just snaps on, and there you go. And then that snaps on. It took about an hour and a half to print. I did not design this. I cannot take credit for it. I found it on MakerWorld. It's pretty amazing. All right, enjoy. Thanks for watching. And be sure to hit like if you like the content, and subscribe if you want more.